Hi viewers, today I'm gonna show you chicken karahi or kadai chicken that can be prepared quickly and easily with no finicky steps. Let's get started. First step, we need to prepare masala paste. For that I'm taking 3 tablespoon curd, add pinch turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, paprika or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and set it aside. Let's prepare onion paste. For that I'm taking 1 big red onion, ginger, garlic and make it a fine paste. I'm taking boneless chicken, add masala paste, onion paste. Mix them well together, cover and rest for 30 minutes. In a pan, I added 4 tablespoon oil. Turn on the heat to medium flame. When the oil turns hot, add half a cup cubed onions. Add 3/4 cup cubed capsicum. Fry for 2 minutes. When you begin to smell them, then add tomatoes. Mix them well together. Then add marinated chicken. Give it a nice stir. Cover and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.